Go ahead. Just now, be very gentle. Just take one thing out at a time.
I got gases.
What are those?
What are these?
A blue water gun.
Whoa.
And a blue water.
Is this from Hawaii?
Keep
I got
opening.
a lot of these.
Keep opening.
What'd you get, sir?
I got a lot of these.
Nice.
And a blue water gun.
Sure.
Oh man, cool.
Now it's
I
red.
got water gun.
We just keep on going.
I got water gun.
You did.
What's
I
this?
closed that water gun.
Crazy.
Whoa, glasses.
Candy.
You got candy, huh?
Okay.
It's like Halloween.
What are those?
Wow.
Are those pineapple suckers and flip-flop suckers?
What's that?
Whatever they are, I like them.
I had this.
What's that, sir?
Hawaiian sliders. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look at
What is that, Sarah?
Yeah.
What is it?
I'm gonna cry. Don't cry.
What is it? Sarah, what is it?
Keep going in your thing, your bag, Angel.
That's all.
Angel, go down into the bottom of your bag.
I
I
did.
got these.
He pulled his book out first.
Angel.
What's in the bag? What's in here? I don't
You see flights? And look, Maui. Maui's in Hawaii, and then there's plane tickets
No, those
for
are special
Maui.
books I made for you. So,
know. Are these for us?
whose name is on it?
Wait, we're going to Hawaii.
What do you think?
You're going
When
to
are we
Hawaii.
going?
Well, look at the date on there.
Daddy, no,
Oh my.
We're going for 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
After this Christmas,
what
I'm
should
gonna
I
like
say?
need a regain.
Where? I
That's
can't
right.
see it.
Hey, Oma, my head
my.
has
When are we going?
A few days after school's out in June. It's all paid for.
In June.
Yeah, well,
We're going to Hawaii.
yeah, you are.
Pictures. Oh,
That's where we're going. Look, and I put pictures, and you're gonna in there of the Sacramento.
So this whole time, you've been showing me all these pictures, and that's
I
how
have a secret.
so that was.
Now you know the secret.
Oh, that was the secret, Grandma.
Uh-huh.